Hello guys, this is Vineet from Edge-Forex and today is the 19th of August 2024 and it's a quick update on the trade alert that I gave out earlier and also a new trade setup that I'm watching. Actually, a couple new setups that I'm watching very closely. So here is the one, you're looking at the soybean futures or soy versus USD on the 4-hour time frame, and I told you guys earlier that hey, there's a divergence that's taking place where here the RSI is going high, but the price is actually getting lower. So what's happening now is, let me draw a trend line from here, recent top to here. So what has happened is, if I let me zoom into it a little bit so I can show you guys exactly what has happened is, so it broke the trend line. Let me try and draw this. So it broke the trend line above and then came, retested it and broke out again. Now that's a very bullish sign. Let me redraw this. Came here, it broke out, retested, broke out again. So now this is very bullish. So if this candle, right, we have already opened a trade. We have opened a small trade and we add to it once we break this over top resistance here. Let me draw this line here. Once it breaks this line here, we'll add to our trade. We have a very small position. Remember, these guys, this is a Puke trade, okay? Where we want to put in a very little, not even 1% of our capital, maybe 0.5% of our capital in all of these trades combined. So we would get into, so now we have a trade which is already winning. We're going to go and wait and get into this trade again, kind of double our position and then ride it further. And we'll see how things are at the time when we enter the second trade. But again, our stop loss is right at the bottom of here. So if the price makes new low, what's going on? Actually, I need a horizontal line. Sorry, guys. Okay, so if the price breaks here, goes below this, then we actually go out and take our, it'll hit our stop loss and we are out of that trade. But it's looking like it's going to go break this line here and then we double up on our position and then we ride higher. But again, right now we just opened up a position and I thought I'll let you guys know. And other trade that I am watching very closely is EUR USD. Okay, guys. Okay, so what's happening is it's making higher highs. For example, here on a 4-hour chart, the trend line is making higher highs, but RSI is sloping downwards, even though ever so slightly, but it is still sloping downwards. So as soon as it breaks this trend line here, what's going on? That's when we get in at right here at around right around 110. We put in a sell order. So that's to capture, say, about 250 pips. So we're looking at the 4-hour chart. So whenever that happens, and when we enter in that trade to capture, say, 200-300 pips, I will let you guys know. But again, there is not a trigger yet. The trigger is going to happen once the trend line is broken. This is just a setup in the process of making. So it's happening as we speak. It may be today, it may be tomorrow, but I'll let you guys know. So I did let you guys know of the soy trade, that the setup was happening earlier in the day. Confirmation happened just a few minutes ago, and we entered in the trade, and I thought I'll let you guys know if you guys want to get in. And I told you guys where to put your stop losses and what to do next. So when we take that next trade, we add to our positions, I will let you guys know. Till then, take care and make loads of pips.